Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of open-ear audio with the Quidnuran MY-14 clip-on earbuds. These promise a comfortable listening experience, especially for those who find traditional in-ear buds or even bone conduction headphones uncomfortable. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Right out of the box, the MY-14s sport a unique design. The clip-on style is definitely eye-catching, and the 360-degree rotating ear hooks seem like they'll offer a good degree of adjustability. They're surprisingly lightweight, only 7 grams each, which is a big plus for long listening sessions or workouts. Quidnuran boasts about the painless wear, and while I'll need more time to fully test that claim, the initial fit is definitely comfortable. Pairing them was a breeze thanks to Bluetooth 5.3. The connection has been stable so far, and I haven't experienced any dropouts. Now let's talk sound. These earbuds utilize what Quidnuran calls a sound-absorbing inner cavity barrier design and a third-generation acoustic cavity. Marketing jargon aside, the sound quality is actually pretty decent for open-ear earbuds. The bass is surprisingly present, though not overpowering, and the treble is clear without being harsh. The mids are perhaps a little recessed, but vocals are still easily discernible. Open-ear earbuds, by their nature, tend to leak sound, and these are no exception. So, if you're in a quiet environment, be mindful of the volume. One of the standout features here is the claimed 36-hour battery life with a charging case. 7 hours of playtime on a single charge is impressive, and the case itself supports wireless charging, which is a nice touch. I haven't had the chance to fully drain the battery yet, but if these claims hold true, it's a definite win. The case also boasts a rotatable design, which is a unique aesthetic choice. The controls are simple, with a single physical button on each earbud. This minimalist approach makes operation easy, even during workouts. The MY-14s also support multi-point pairing, meaning you can connect to 2 devices simultaneously. This is handy for switching between your phone and laptop, for example. Another plus is the IPX5 water resistance rating, making these suitable for workouts and light rain. Now for the downsides. While the sound quality is good for open ear, it's not going to compete with high-end in-ear or over-ear headphones. The open-ear design also means less noise isolation, so these aren't ideal for noisy environments. Finally, while the clip-on design is comfortable for most, it might not be suitable for everyone. It might take some getting used to. Overall, the Quidnuran MY-14 clip-on earbuds offer a compelling option for those seeking a comfortable and convenient open-ear listening experience. The long battery life, wireless charging, and multi-point pairing are definite pluses. While the sound quality isn't audiophile grade, it's certainly respectable for this style of earbud. If you're looking for a comfortable alternative to traditional earbuds, and you prioritize convenience and long battery life, these are definitely worth considering. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.